I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen stuffed pepper in the air fryer. So let's open a package of frozen stuffed pepper. No need to defrost. The air fryer will cook it straight from frozen. So it comes in this oven-safe dish, and I know it's oven-safe because in the bag there's instructions for the oven. So I know it's okay to put it in the air fryer. Like if you're not sure, then you can always take the frozen pepper out in another dish that fits inside the air fryer. But since it's oven safe, I'm just gonna put it straight in the air fryer. Let's take out the air fryer basket, put the frozen stuffed pepper in the air fryer, put the basket back in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 20 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at the stuffed pepper. It's perfectly cooked, straight from frozen. It looks so good. Let me take it out of the air fryer. Perfect. So it's fully cooked inside. Let me just cut it and show you. So see, the inside is perfectly cooked, straight from frozen. Looks amazing. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. Delicious. See how easy it was to cook frozen stuffed pepper in the air fryer? You'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!